Revision class for Civic Education, Year 8. The following topics were considered in Easter term: relationship between local, state, and federal governments, rule of law, punishable offenses, protection of human rights, and the rule of law. Groups that assist in protecting human rights of citizens, consumer rights and responsibilities, democracy. Under relationship between local governments, state governments, and federal governments, we considered the following things: the local government exclusive list. These are the things that are itemized for local governments to do alone. Then we had the state government exclusive list. These are things that are ascribed to the state government alone to do. So also we have the federal government exclusive list. Every tiers of government, I mean the local government, the state, and the federal, have specific things they do. And there are other things we considered under this topic. We consider power sharing relationship, how power is shared amidst the state, local government, and the federal government. Also, we considered the revenue sharing or allocation. Yes, the federal government, after all revenues have been collected, duly share them with the state government and the local government. All these allocations are sent directly to the local government accounts or to the state government account by the federal government. The second topic we consider is the rule of law. Types of law in Nigeria. We have the civil law, the criminal law, and all under this we had the rule of law, which is to safeguard the human beings' rights under the law. We consider the types of these laws, the concepts of the rule of law, the three elements of the rule of law, and also the benefits of the rule of law. We move to the next topic: punishable offenses. The word punishable means you have done something wrong and you have to pay, or there's a consequence to what you have done that is not palatable. Punishable offenses. These are offenses that have been committed by citizens of a country and they are to be punishable by law. It could be in terms of fines or jail terms. Types of punishable offenses: road laws, civic laws, environmental laws. These are some types of punishable offenses. If anybody breaks the traffic laws, is punishable by the government. Even the environmental laws is punishable by the government. We move to the next topic: protection of human rights and the rule of law. Every human being has a right. Few of the rights every one of us have is one, right to live. You have the right to be alive. Nobody has the right to take another person's life. Right to freedom. Right to eat. Right to be voted for and to vote. These are few of the rights which every one of us have. And under this, we are going to consider those things that helps to protect human rights when they are violated. When human rights are violated, it means the rule of law has been broken, and the ways we can redress it are: 1. Litigations. 2. Protest march. 3. Hunger strike. 4. Boycotts of election or other government activity. 5. Dialogue. 6. Media coverage of the events that ensued. We move to the next topic: groups that assist in protecting human rights of citizens. There are some groups of people that help to protect the rights of each citizen in a country. Part of the groups are religious groups. It could be the Christian group or the Muslim group. Ethnic groups like the Odua, Ohanese, Indigo, the Arewas from the north. Civil society organization. Civil society organizations help also to protect the human rights. Also, student organization. In the different higher institutions, we have student organizations like the student union of each campuses. They could help when the rights of a student had been breached by the school. Such organizations could rise up to help. And the last one is legal aid councils. They are groups of lawyers that are more conversant with human rights. In the past, we had people like Gani Fawemi, Femi Falana, to mention a few, that are human rights lawyers, which helps people that their rights have been breached. We move to the next topic: consumer rights and responsibility. Every consumer has a right, so also we have responsibilities to play. Rights of the consumer starts from the right to be satisfied based on what is purchased, right to be informed, the right to make choice, the right to be represented, right to an healthy environment. And some of our responsibilities are to keep our environments clean, to make sure what government has done as safe within our environment, to mention a few. Democracy is the next topic. Definition of democracy is government by the people, for the people, and of the people. Democracy has to do with people ruling themselves. We make choice of who should lead or direct the affairs of a state. And under democracy, we have to talk about electoral practices, political parties. Characteristics of democracy are: 1, there must be a rule of law. 2, there must be rights of citizens. 3, there must be elections where people are elected. 4, there must be political parties and pressure groups.
Revision class.
Importance of democracy.
Civic education. Year 8.
It helps people to understand who and who is leading
in Easter term.
It gives every citizen
relationship between local, state, and federal
a
government.
sense of belonging,
Rule
knowing that they have the right to vote
offenses,
and be voted for.
protection
We
of
have
human
institutions
rights
under democracy.
and the rule of law.
Examples
Groups
are political
that
parties,
assist in protecting human rights
INEC,
of citizens,
election regulatory bodies,
consumer rights,
and the likes.
and
These are the topics
responsibilities.
we considered during the
Democracy.
Easter term.
I believe
We are ready
under
to start
relationship
the
between
Omega
local
term.
government,
I
state
pray the Lord
government,
will
and
help
federal
us.
government.
we
have a
consider
wonderful
the
start to the new term.
following things. The local government exclusive list. These are the things that are itemized for local governments to do alone. Then we had the state government exclusive list. These are things that are ascribed to the
class
state government
for civic
alone
education.
to do.
Yeah.
So also we have the
The
federal
following topics were
government
considered
exclusive list.
in Easter term.
Every tiers of
Relationship
government,
between
I
local,
mean the local
state,
government,
and federal government.
the state and the federal
Rule of
have
law,
specific things they do.
punishable offenses,
And there are other things we considered under this
protection
topic.
of human rights,
We consider power sharing relationship,
and the rule of law.
how power is shared amidst the
is
assist
in
state,
protecting human
local
rights
government,
of citizens.
the federal government.
Consumer rights,
Also, we
and
considered the revenue
responsibilities,
sharing or allocation.
democracy.
Yes, the federal government, under
After
relationship between local
all
governments,
revenues have been
state
collected,
governments and federal
duly
governments,
share them with
we
the state
consider
government
and the local
following
following things. The local
All
government
these
allocations are sent directly to
These
the
are
local
the
government
things
accounts that or
to the
are
state government
itemized
account
for local
by the
governments
federal
to do
government.
alone.
The second topic we
Then we
consider
had
is
the
the
state
rule of
government
law.
exclusive list. Types
These
of
are
laws
things
that
in
are
Nigeria.
ascribed to the state
We have the
government
civil law,
alone to do.
the criminal law,
So also we have the
and
federal
all under this,
government
we
exclusive
had
list.
the rule of law, which is
Every
to
tiers of
safeguard
government,
the
human
human
beings,
beings'
local government,
rights
the state, and
under
the
the
federal
law.
have
We
specific
consider the
things
types
they
of
do.
these laws,
And there are other things
the
we considered
concepts
under
of the
this
rule of
topic.
law,
We consider
the
power
two
sharing
elements
relationship of the rule of law,
how power
and
is
also
shared
the benefits
amidst of the rule of
the
law.
state, local government.
We move to the
and
next topic,
the federal
punishable
government.
offenses.
Also, we considered the
the
revenue
word
sharing
punishable means
or allocation.
you have done something wrong.
Yes, the federal
and you have to
government
pay
after
or there's a consequence
all revenues
to what
have
you
been
have
collected
done that is not palatable.
duly share them with the state government and the local government.
Punishable offenses.
These
All
are
these
offenses
allocations
committed
are
by
sent
citizens
directly
of
to
the
the
local
country
government accounts or
and they
to
are
the
to be
state government
punishable
account
by
by the
law.
federal government. It could be in times of
The second topic we
fines
consider is the rule of law.
or jail terms.
Types
Types
of law
of punishable
in Nigeria.
offenses.
We have the civil law, road
The
laws,
criminal law, civic
and
laws,
all under this, we
environmental
had
laws.
the rule of law, which is
These are to
some
safeguard
types
the
of
human
punishable
beings'
offenses.
rights. If
under the
anybody
law.
breaks the
We
traffic
consider
laws,
the types of these
is
laws,
punishable by the
the
government.
concepts of the rule of law,
Even the environmental
the
laws
three elements
is punishable
of the rule of
by
law,
the government, and also the benefits
we move to the next
of the rule
topic.
of law. Protection of
We
human
move to the
rights
next topic,
and the rule of law.
punishable offenses.
Every human being has a right.
The word punishable
Few
means
of the rights every one of
you
us
have done
have
something wrong,
is one.
and
Right
you have to pay,
live.
or there's a consequence
You have the right
to what
to
you
be
have done
alive.
that is not palatable.
Nobody has the right to take another person's life.
Punishable offenses.
Right to freedom.
These are offenses that have been committed by
Right
citizens
to
of a
eat.
country,
right
and they are to be
to
punishable
be voted for
by law.
and to vote.
It could be
These
in
are
times
few
of
of the
fines
rights which
or
every
jail
one of
terms.
us have. And under
Types
this,
of
we are going to
punishable
consider
offenses.
those things
Road
that
laws,
helps to protect
civil
human
laws,
rights when they are violated.
environmental laws.
When
These
human
are
rights are
some
violated,
types of
it means the
punishable
rule of
offenses.
law has been broken.
If anybody breaks
And the ways we can
traffic
redress
laws
it are one,
is punishable
litigation
by the government.
two,
Even the
protest
environmental
march.
laws
three,
is punishable
hunger
by the
strike,
government.
four,
We move to the next
boycott of election
Protection
or other government
human
activity, and the rule of law.
Five,
Dialogue. Every human being has a right.
Six,
Media
few of
coverage
the rights
of the
every one
events
of us
that
have
ensued
is one,
right to
we
live.
move to the next topic.
You have the right
Groups
to be
that
alive.
assist in protecting
Nobody
human
has the
rights
right to take
of citizens.
another person's life.
There are some groups of
Right
people
to freedom.
that help to
Right
protect
to
the
eat.
rights of each citizens in
Right
a country. to
Part
be
of the
voted
groups
for
are religious
and to
groups.
vote. These are
It could be
views
the Christian
of
group
the rights
or the Muslim group.
which every one of us have.
Ethnic groups
And under this, we are going to
like
consider
the Odua,
those things that helps
Ohaneze,
to protect
Ndigbo,
human rights when they are violated.
the Arewas from the north.
When human rights are violated,
Society
organization,
organization,
the rule of law had been
civil
broken,
society organizations,
and the
help
ways we
also
can redress it
to
are
protect
one,
the human rights.
litigations,
Also, students' organization
protest march.
in the
3.
different higher
Constitutions,
institutions, we have student
4.
organization like the
Boycott
student
union
of election
of
or
each
other
campus
government
activity.
They could help find
When the rights of the
dialogue
students
had been breached.
6.
By the school.
Media coverage
Such
of the
organizations
events that
could
rise
rise
up
up to help. And
We
the
move
last
to the
one
next
is
topic.
legal aid
Groups
councils
that assist
They are
in
groups of
protecting
lawyers
human rights
that are
of citizens.
more
There are
conversant
some
with
groups
human rights.
of people
In the
that
past, we
help
had
to
people like
protect
Gani
the
Fawemi
rights of each citizen
Femi
in a
Falana,
country.
to mention
Part
a
of the
few.
groups
There
are
are
religious
human
groups,
rights lawyers, which
It could be the Christian
group
group
or the
people that
Muslim
their
group.
rights have been breached.
Ethnic
We move to
groups
the next topic:
like
consumer
the
rights
Odua,
and responsibility. Every
Ohaneze,
consumer has a
Ndigbo,
right, so also we have
the Arewas
responsibilities
from the north.
to play.
Civil
Rights of the
society
consumer
organization,
starts from the right
civil
to be
society
satisfied
organizations help also
based
to
on what
protect
is
the human
purchased.
rights.
Right
Also,
to be
students'
informed,
organization
the right to make
in
choice,
the different
the
higher
right
institutions,
to be
we have
represented,
student organization like the
right
student
to
union
an healthy
of
environment.
each campuses.
And some of our
They could help
responsibilities
when the
are
rights of a student had been
to keep
breached
our
by
environment
the school.
clean,
Such organizations
to make
could
sure
rise
what
up
government
to
has
help.
done as
And the
safe,
last one is
within our
legal aid
environment,
councils.
to mention a
They are
few.
groups of lawyers
Democracy
that are
is the next topic.
more conversant with human rights.
Definition of democracy is government
In
by
the
the
past,
people,
we
for
had
the
people like
people,
Gani Fawemi,
and of the people.
Femi Falana,
Democracy
mention a
has
few.
to do
that are
with
human
people
rights lawyers
ruling themselves,
which
we make choice of who and
people
who
that their rights
have been breached.
should lead
We
or
move to the next topic:
direct the
consumer
affairs
rights
of a state.
and responsibility.
And under
Every
democracy,
consumer
we
has
have
a
to
right.
talk about
So also we have
electoral
responsibilities
practices,
to play.
political
Rights
parties,
of the consumer starts from
characteristics
the
of
right to be
democracy
satisfied
are one,
based on what
there
is
must be
purchased.
a rule of law.
Right to be informed.
Two,
The right
there
to
must
make
be
choice.
rights
The right
of
to be
citizens.
represented.
Three,
Right to an
there must
healthy
be
environment.
elections.
And some
where
of
people
our
are elected.
responsibilities are
Four,
to keep
there
our
must be
environment
political
clean,
parties and pressure
to make
groups.
sure what government has done as
The
safe
importance of
within our
democracy.
environment, to mention a few.
It helps people to understand
Democracy
who and
is
who
the next
is
topic.
leading.
Definition
It
of
gives every
democracy is
citizen
government by the people, for the people, and
a sense
of the
of
people.
belonging, knowing
Democracy
that they
has
have
to
the
do
right to vote
people
and be
ruling
voted
themselves.
for. We make choice of
We have
who and
institutions
who under
should
democracy
lead
or direct
examples are
the
political
affairs of a
parties,
state. INEC, and under democracy
election
we have to
regulatory
talk
bodies,
about
and the
electoral
likes.
practices,
These are the topics we consider
political parties,
during the Easter term.
characteristics
I
of
believe we are
democracy
To start the Omega
are
term,
one,
I pray
there
the
must
Lord
be
will help
a
us.
rule of law.
Have a wonderful
Two.
start to the new term.
There must be rights of citizens. Three, there must be elections where people are elected. Four, there must be political parties and pressure groups.